Tech fam, welcome back to Layera Tech. Today I have some super exciting news for you tech enthusiasts and anyone interested in cutting-edge renewable energy solutions. We're talking about a brand new release that's already making waves in the world of solar energy, the EG4 12Kpv 8000W Hybrid Inverter. So what's the big deal about this inverter? Let me break it down for you. This isn't just any inverter, it's a hybrid powerhouse that's perfect for both residential and commercial use. If you're looking to upgrade your solar setup, or are considering going solar for the first time, this might just be the perfect option for you. The first thing that makes the EG4 12Kpv stand out is its massive power capacity. We're talking about an 8,000-watt inverter that can handle serious loads. Whether it's powering your entire home, running high-energy appliances, or even working in a small business setting, this inverter can do it all. Plus, it operates at both 120 and 240 volts, meaning it can support a wider range of devices and systems. Flexibility is key here. One of the biggest concerns people have with inverters is their ability to handle surges. The good news? The EG4 12Kpv has a whopping 136 amp surge capacity. That means it can handle those sudden spikes in power demand, whether you're starting up a heavy-duty machine or your home experiences a sudden surge. It's built to manage those high-energy moments without breaking a sweat. Let's talk about the hybrid feature for a minute. This isn't just an off-grid or on-grid inverter, it's a hybrid. That means you can seamlessly switch between using your solar panels, battery storage, and grid power. If the sun isn't shining, no problem. The hybrid nature of this inverter allows it to pull energy from the grid or stored batteries, giving you complete energy independence. You'll always have power when you need it most. Another thing I love about the EG4 12Kpv is how user-friendly it is. It's designed with the user in mind, offering an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. Whether you're a solar expert or a complete beginner, you'll have no trouble monitoring your system and making adjustments as needed. Plus, its installation process is streamlined, making it a straightforward addition to any solar setup. But here's something that really makes this inverter stand out: it's built with future-proofing in mind. The EG4 12Kpv is ready for the energy needs of tomorrow. It's designed to work with modern technologies, including energy storage systems and smart home setups. Whether you're running an advanced solar system or just looking for something that'll last for years, this inverter has you covered. Now, let's talk about the build quality. When you're investing in something as crucial as an inverter, you want to know it's built to last, right? Well, this inverter doesn't disappoint. It's designed with high-quality components and built to withstand tough conditions, whether it's extreme heat, cold, or other challenging environments. You can count on it to keep running efficiently no matter what. And of course, we can't forget the safety features. The EG4 12Kpv is packed with advanced protections, including overvoltage, undervoltage, overload, and short-circuit protection. Your system and appliances are in good hands, which gives you peace of mind, especially when dealing with high-power systems. Whether you want to go fully off-grid, have backup power during outages, or just save money on your energy bills, this inverter is a solid investment. If you're looking for an inverter that can do it all, this is the one to watch. Make sure to check it out and see how it can transform your solar energy system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more exciting tech updates. See you next time.